calculate the standard deviation of 15, 21, 17, 26, 18, and 29. To get the standard deviation of these numbers, we are going to use the formula square root of the sum of x minus the mean of x squared divided by n. X here will refer to the values that we have. The mean of x will be the mean of these values, and n will be the number of values we have. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 numbers in total. So it means that n will be equal to 6. We have to find the sum of, or sigma, x minus the mean of x squared. We will begin by drawing a table with 3 columns. The first column will be for x, which will occupy the values we have here. The next one will be x minus the mean of x. And then the last one will be x minus the mean of x squared, so that we can find the sum of x minus the mean of x squared. So we will list the values we have here in the column for x. We are going to do that in ascending order, so from the least to the highest. The least is 15, the next one is 17, the next one is 18, the next one is 21, the next one is 26, and the last one is 29. So we are done with the first column. The next column is x minus the mean of x. So we first have to find the mean of x. To get the mean of x, we will add these values together and then we will divide it by their number. Their number is 6. So we will add them together and divide it by 6. And so we will have 15 plus 17 plus 18 plus 21 plus 26 plus 29 divided by 6. And this will give us 21. So it means that the mean of x is 21. This column is x minus the mean of x. So we will take each of these values and then we will subtract 21 from it. So the first one will be 15 minus 21. That will give us negative 6. The next one will be 17 minus 21. That will give us negative 4. The next one will be 18 minus 21. That will give us negative 3. The next one will be 21 minus 21, which is 0. The next one is 26 minus 21, which is 5. And the last one is 29 minus 21, and that will give us 8. So we are done with the second column also. The last column is x minus the mean of x squared. So it means that we are going to square the values that we have here. So the first one will be negative 6 squared. That will be 36. The next one is negative 4 squared. That will be 16. The next one is negative 3 squared. That will be 9. The next one is 0 squared. That is 0. The next one is 5 squared. That is 25. And the last one is 8 squared, that is 64. To get the standard deviation, we need the sum of x minus the mean of x squared. So it means that we have to find the sum of the values in this column. When we add these values together, we are going to have 150. So it means that the sum of x minus the mean of x squared is 150. Remember, we know that the n is 6. That is the number of values we have here. So we can find the standard deviation. The standard deviation will be equal to square root of the sum of x minus the mean of x squared, which is 150, divided by n, which is 6. And square root of 150 divided by 6 is 5. So what it means is that the standard deviation of these numbers is 5.